It's Scientist Mindy. I'm going to do a science experiment today. And you know, as I always say, it's an experiment. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, but I think this one will work. It's pretty easy. All you need is a paper towel folded like this. You fold it two times. 1, 2. And you'll never guess what we're going to make. We're going to make a rainbow if it works. What we do is you need markers, 2 little containers of water, and a paper towel or a napkin, or maybe even toilet paper if you're very careful. That's all you need. And we color. You can color whatever colors you want. I kind of did a rainbow. And then you just add the colors here. I need blue and purple to finish this one. And it doesn't have to be perfect at all. That's all there is to it. And then you take your 2 little cups of water and you put the color ends, these ends, in the water. And you wait about 5 minutes. I did this one yesterday and it's kind of all dried up, but this is what you get if you wait that long. And that's the end. I hope it works for you. If it does, I'd love to see pictures of it.